أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we are doing the revision of the properties of ism. So we did the status, first property of ism last time. So inshallah we will continue and we will revise other properties of ism. Inshallah. Okay, Muslim chart for masculine gender. Muslim chart for masculine gender. Taimiyah, please.
Muslimun, Musliman,
Say
Musliman,
start again, please.
Muslimun, Musliman, 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 Muslimin, Muslimini, Muslimuna, Muslimuna, Muslimina.
No. There was a problem with the third column. Say the third column again.
Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Yeah. Now the feminine chart, Taimiyah.
Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin, Muslimatani, Muslimatain, Muslimataini, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, and Muslimatin.
Good job. Good job. Thank you, Taimiyah. So this is the Muslim masculine gender chart. And this is the feminine gender chart. And we already have revised status. So first row, the three words in the first row, they're all Rafa status. The second row is Nasab status. And the third row is Jar. We already know all this. Now, you see each table here, the masculine gender table and the feminine gender table, both have 9 words. Each of these tables have 9 words. I have a question now. The question is, are the words in the Muslim charts, in both of these Muslim charts, are they heavy or are they light? Arham, do you know this answer?
Yes, uncle.
What is the answer?
They're heavy.
They are heavy. All right. So they are heavy. Why you call them heavy? What's the indication? How do you know they are heavy?
The indication that they're heavy is that they have tanween at the end.
Tanween? Muslimani doesn't have a tanween.
No,
So Muslimani is light or heavy?
no. Muslimani is light, but the reason is if they end in a noon sound.
Yeah, that is the indication.
Yeah.
Anusha, how do we know a word is heavy?
You have to remove the noon sound.
Noon sound. Okay. Noon sound. Muslimun, there's a noon sound. Muslimani, noon sound. Muslimuna, noon sound. Or Muslimatun, there's a noon sound. All of these 18 words, 9 here, 9 in the other one, they have noon sound at the end. And when we see the noon sound or hear the noon sound, then we say it is heavy. On all of these words in the Muslim chart, they are heavy. All right. If they're all heavy, then the question is, can we make them light? And if we can, then how do we do that? That's the next question. And I'm going to ask this question from Zainab, inshallah.
Yes.
Do you know the question,
How
Zainab?
to make an ism light? You can make any ism light by just removing the noon sound from the end.
Yes, you can remove the noon sound
From the end.
then it becomes light. So a heavy ism is made light by removing the noon sound at its end. All right. So, we have Muslimun here, huh? I want to come up with the lighter version of it, Zainab. Give me the lighter version of Muslimun.
Muslima. Muslimu.
Give me one answer.
Muslimu.
Muslimu. Yeah, it is Muslimu. All right, thank you, Zainab. Ayan, what's the lighter version of Musliman? Ayan. Ayan doesn't want to talk to me. Okay. Danielle,
Yes.
what's what's the lighter version of Musliman?
Muslima.
Muslimin?
And for Muslimin, it's Muslimi.
Just remove the noon sound. You see Muslimu? There's no
Yeah.
noon sound anymore. Yeah. Thank you, Danielle. And Brother Mia Hamid. Muslimani, please make it light.
जी मुस्ले मुस्लिमा
Very good. Muslimaini.
मुस्ले मुस्लिमी
No, no. Small difference here.
uh,
Meme have a zabar here, huh?
yes
Fatha.
okay
So,
मुस्लिमा
no, ya is not gonna go anywhere because we have to make minimum change.
मुस्लिमाई
Muslimai, yeah. We have to make the minimum change.
Right.
And the next one,
मुस्लिमाई
Muslimai. So Muslima is light.
right
Muslimai is light. Muslimai is
Right,
light. So Muslima is still, because Muslimani was Rafa, so Muslima is Rafa as well. And Muslimaini was Nasab or Jar, so the same applies to Muslimai. All right, thank you, Brother Mia Hamid. So I go to Umar. Umar, we go to the
Assalamualaikum.
plural now. Walaikum salam. Make Muslimuna light, please.
Muslimu,
Muslimina.
Muslimi, Muslimi,
All right, good. So what's the status of Muslimuna?
Rafa,
How Muslimu?
Rafa.
Yeah, the status doesn't change. By making light, the status is not affected. It remains the same. Okay. So now we know what is the heavy Muslim chart. And now we need to do complete the light version of the Muslim chart. Okay. Burak, give me the light version of the Muslim chart.
Okay. Is it Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi, Muslima, Muslimay, Muslimay?
Don't say may.
Oh, may.
Muslimay. Yeah.
Muslimay. And Muslimu, Muslimi, and Muslimi.
Yeah. This is the light version, the light Muslim chart. Everybody should be able to do this. Okay. And for the feminine gender, this is the heavy version. And I need somebody to do the light version. Musa Iqbal, can you do the light version?
Assalamualaikum. Muslimatu, Muslimata, Muslimati, Muslimata, Muslimatai, Muslimatai, Muslimatu, Muslimati, Muslimati.
All right. Okay. So now we know an ism can be heavy and an ism can be light. But now, next question, what is the normal version? What is the default version of an ism? Is it heavy or is it light? What is the default version or the normal version? Anusha, do you know? You have 50% chances of being wrong.
I actually don't know.
Don't know? Okay. Aiza, do you know? What is the default or regular or normal version? Heavy or light?
Heavy.
Heavy, yeah, heavy. When an ism is heavy, that is normal. That is normal. Ism is supposed to be heavy in its normal state. But an ism could be light as well in some situations. So when an ism is heavy, we don't need to worry about it. Why it is heavy? Because that is the normal state or the regular state of the ism. It's like when the sky is blue, don't worry about that, right? Because the sky is supposed to be blue. Similarly, an ism is supposed to be heavy, and when it is heavy, it is normal. Don't need to worry about it. But when ism is light, then we need to worry about it. We need to know why it is light. We don't need to have a reason for being normal. Normal is normal. But when an ism is light, it is not normal. And therefore, we need to know the reason behind it. An ism can be light for 4 reasons. There could be one of 4 reasons for an ism to be light. In our class, we have discussed so far one of them. Give me one reason for an ism to be light that we have discussed in this class. Daniel.
مضاف إليه.
No.
مضاف إليه.
You are close, but you are not precise.
مضاف.
Just mudaf, not mudaf ilay. Just mudaf. So there are 4 reasons for an ism to be light, and the first reason is mudaf. Mudaf is always light, and it doesn't take al, if you remember. So mudaf is always light. So if you see an ism which is light, it could be the mudaf. Could be mudaf, could be something else. The second reason we haven't discussed them. So as part of the revision, I'm going to teach you something new as well. La nafiyatun lil jins. This is the second reason. Al munada is the third reason. And number 4, the ism could be partly flexible. So what do I mean by them? Rasulullahi. Rasulullahi is mudaf ilayh. So what is Rasulu? What is Allah in this combination? Shifa, what is this? What is Rasul? What is Allah?
They're mudaf ilayh.
So what is Rasul?
Rasul is the mudaf and Allah is the mudaf ilayh.
Allah is mudaf ilayh. So can Rasulu be Rasulun?
No,
No, why?
because mudaf is always light.
And Rasul has to be light. How about Azabul Qabri? What is mudaf here?
Mudaf is azab and al-qabri is mudaf ilayh.
And can I say Azabun?
No,
Why?
because mudaf is always light.
Yeah. So one reason is mudaf. When an ism is used as a mudaf, it has to be light. Has to be light. Number 2 reason. There is a special la. Its name is la nafiyatun lil jins. La of strong negation. Over here, it has come in this 2 times. La ilaha illallahu wahdahu la sharika lah. So these 2 la are la nafiyatun lil jins. And you see the ism after that is light. Ilaha. It is not ilahan. And over here, sharika. It's not sharikan. It is not mudaf. So mudaf is not the reason for it. This la is the reason for it. And over here, this la is the reason for this ism to be light. So when this la, this is a special la, when it comes, it makes the ism after it light. So this is the second reason for ism to be light. Third reason, waladun. Waladun means a boy. But when I have to call a boy, for example, a boy is at some distance, and I say, oh boy. So I have to say ya before it. Ya. I say ya. But when I say ya, I cannot say ya waladun now. I have to say ya walad. So ya, when we call a boy, when we call someone, the one you are calling has to be light. And the one who's being called is called al-munada. Al-munada. And that is light. You see, waladun became waladu. So ya, when you call someone and you use ya for it, then ya means, oh boy. So now you cannot say ya. This is another reason for an ism to be light. And the fourth reason, we will talk about it at another time. We have done this though. We will discuss this as part of our fragment study, fragment revision, but we have covered this as well. So these are the four reasons. And if you see a light ism, it could be one of these four reasons. All right. Okay. That's all about heavy or light. Heavy or light. And why an ism could be, what is the default version, and why an ism can be light. There are four reasons. Remember that. Now we are going to, okay, again, another question. How many properties of ism? Arham, how many properties of ism?
4 properties of ism, uncle.
What are they?
Their status, gender, number, and type.
Status, gender, number, and type. We have done status. So we are going to do now
Gender.
gender. Gender. All right. Good. Thank you, Arham. Okay. Okay, Ali. How many types of gender there are in Arabic language? How many?
2,
Two. What are they?
masculine and feminine.
Very good. There are two genders only, masculine and feminine. So Zainab, what is the rule now? What is the rule? There is a general statement that I made about gender in Arabic language. Do you remember that?
That ism is masculine unless it has a reason to be feminine.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Zainab. And ism is masculine, is male, unless there is a reason to call it female. Okay. When you see an ism, you should look for reasons to call it feminine. If you don't find a reason to call it feminine, then it is automatically masculine. This is how you are supposed to process this. Okay. So all you need to learn is the reasons to call an ism feminine. Once you know those reasons and you don't find any of those reasons in an ism, then you call that ism masculine. So we are in this part, we are going to revise the reasons to call an ism feminine. That's what we're going to learn. The reasons to call an ism feminine. One main reason an ism could be feminine. Can somebody recall what's that? One of the main reasons for a ism to be feminine. Arham, go ahead.
If it's a name of a place.
Yeah, that's another reason, but there is a very obvious reason for somebody to be feminine. Umar, can you, Umar?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Do you know the question? One obvious reason for somebody to be feminine will be no?
Biological.
Biological. Give me an example. In English language, you can give me an example in English.
Mother.
Mother. Another example.
Sister.
Sister. Yeah, mother, sister, daughter, all of these are biologically feminine. So this is the main reason for somebody or something to be feminine. Feminine. They are the real feminine because of biological reasons. But there are other feminines who are feminine, but they are not feminine for biological reasons. They are called non-feminine. And there are further categories under them. One at a time. One at a time. Muhammad Ashar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Go ahead.
One of the reasons are like names of places like cities and like sorry, is it non-Arab names or
Names of places. Okay, you got it.
sorry, yes,
Names of
names of
places.
places, sorry.
Okay. Give me another one, Aiza.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Give me a reason for an ism to be non-feminine.
It has a broken plural.
Broken plural. All right, good. Ibrahim Akhtar, give me another reason.
It has a ta marbuta at the end.
Ta marbuta at the end. Ta marbuta at the end. Very good. There are some exceptions, but most of the time, when you see a ta marbuta at the end, that means it is feminine gender. Ta marbuta means the round ta, the goal ta. And the names of places are, the proper names of the places are also feminine. Makkah, Madian, Misr, Pakistan, Canada. All these words, names of places, they are feminine. Okay. Thank you, Ibrahim. Anusha, give me another reason.
Body parts in pairs.
Body parts in pairs. If a body part is in pair, both and even the single part is feminine. Good job, Anusha. Okay, Musab, give me another reason.
Broken plurals.
We already done that.
Linguistic reasons.
Linguistic reasons. What does it mean? Linguistic reasons.
Like Arab people just say it feminine. There's no actual reason for it to be feminine.
Yeah, there is no reason except that Arabs say it is feminine. So this is why it is feminine. That's all. We don't have any other reason for it. Because Arabs treat these words as feminine, so we have to treat them as feminine as well. So linguistic reasons. And the next one was the broken plurals. So these are the ones we covered when we learned this. But there are two more reasons which we did not cover. But I am going to reveal them now, because we have matured since then, so we can take it now. 3-letter words, and then there is a alif maqsura. This is written as ya. It's very similar to ya, but it's not read as ya. Like kubra, uzma, you can add al to it as well. Sughra, bushra, so they're all ending with this alif maqsura. When you see a word like this, most likely 99.9% of the time it is feminine. There are some exceptions like Isa, Musa, Yahya. These are masculine names, but when you see alif maksura at the end, you can say it is feminine. And the last one I'm going to show you is, it is called an alif and a hamza at the end. It is called alif mamduda. When you see an alif mamduda at the end of a word, most likely it is a feminine word. Like colors and body defects. Hamra means red. Safra means yellow. Adra means green. Bakma means a lady who's mute, who can speak. It is a body defect. And Amya is a lady who cannot see. So this is also a body defect. So colors and body defects, they end with alif mamduda, like an alif and then a hamza at the end. So when you see this, so this is another indication for identifying a feminine gender word. So now how many reasons we have? I'm gonna go back and ask for those reasons again. Okay, one at a time. Taymiyyah, what's the first reason?
It was
Brother Mia Amir, what's the first reason?
At the end.
So you say it again.
Ta marbuta at the end.
Marbuta at the end. Very good. What's the second reason, Brother Mia Amir?
Broken plural.
Yeah, that's another reason, but comes later in the order. All right, thank you, Brother Reza.
Name of places.
Names of places. Next one.
Body parts.
Body parts in pairs. Next reason.
No linguistic reason.
Linguistic reason. Next reason.
Broken plural.
Okay, next one.
And the last one followed by ya.
Alif maksura. Next one. Last one now.
Name of places.
No.
Oh, that's already done.
Oh, okay.
The body.
Okay.
Sorry?
Cobra. You said that here. Cobra.
Alif mamduda. Alif mamduda at the end. The body parts. Sorry, not body parts. Body defects and names of color. Yeah.
Color.
Ending with alif mamduda. This is alif maksura. And this is alif mamduda. Alif with a hamza at the end. All right, good. So there are how many reasons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 reasons. So now we are going to practice. Inshallah. Now we are going to practice. Give me the reason, give me the gender and give me the reason for it. Okay. Ali, first one.
Woman, feminine, biological reason.
All right, good. Sama'un. Arham. No. One at a time. I said Arham. Arham.
Yes, uncle.
Sama'un, masculine or feminine,
Yes.
and why?
Sama'un would be feminine.
Why?
It would be feminine because it's of linguistic reasons.
Yeah, you see Sima'un in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I wrote them here. Harbun, Sama'un, Dalun, Shamsun, Nafsun, Narun. Any word used for fire is feminine. Jahannamu, Sabilun, Tariqun, Ardun, Darun, Bi'run, Rihun. Any word used for wind, Rih, or any other word, that is feminine. Ka'sun means cup. Hamr means wine. Asa means a stick or a staff. So Shams means sun. Nar means fire. Nafs means soul. Dalbun means bucket. Samaun means sky. Harbun means war. Sabil and Tariq mean path. Ard means earth. So this is feminine because of linguistic reasons. All right, good. Umar, Laylatan.
Assalamu alaikum. Laylatan is feminine because of a linguistic reason. Oh, ta marbuta.
Ta marbuta at the end. Yeah, this is the most easy reason. Qalamun. Okay, Taymiyyah.
Because
Do you see a reason? Go over the reason and do you see a reason to call it feminine?
No, there's no reason. It's masculine.
It's masculine. All right. There is no reason to call it feminine. That's why it is masculine. All right. Sorry. Okay. Shifa.
Yes.
First, sorry, next word.
Okay. Alhamdu is it's masculine.
Saad Iqbal.
Misru is feminine because it's a name of a place.
All right. Okay, kulubun. Kulubun means hearts. And I'm gonna ask, is Daniel still with us? I don't see Daniel anymore. Okay, Ayan, kulubun. Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead, Ayan. Do you know the question? You don't know the question?
No.
That's sad. That makes me sad, Ayan. You don't know the question. Aiza, pay attention now, Ayan. Kulubun. The question is it masculine or feminine, Ayan? Aiza?
Uncle, Qulubun is, I feel like
Is it singular or plural?
It's plural.
Okay. Is it a sound plural or a broken plural?
Sound plural.
Not ending with una, ina, or atun or
Yeah.
atin sound. That's why it is a
No.
broken plural, and broken plurals are what? Masculine or feminine?
They're non-real feminine.
Non-real feminine. So that's why it is feminine. Yeah, this is a new reason. All right. One more table and then we move on. Jahannam. Jahannam. Beer. What is Jahannam?
Jahannam is feminine. Because it's linguistic reasons.
Yeah, linguistic reason. It's also name of a place. Both reasons. Two reasons for it. Okay, Ayan. Now you know the question?
Yes.
Yeah, give me the answer.
Malikan is broken. No. Malikan is broken plural.
Ibrahim Akhtar.
Malikun is a masculine.
Why do you call it masculine, Ibrahim?
Because there's no other reason to call it a feminine.
Yeah, there is no reason to call it feminine. It doesn't have ta marbuta at the end. It's not a name of a place. It's not a body part in prayer. It's not a linguistic reason. It's not a broken plural. It doesn't end with the alif maksura. It doesn't end with alif mamduda. It's not a biological feminine either. It doesn't have any reason to call it feminine. That is why we call it masculine. This is the way you processed it, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Yeah, good job. Good job. Hamra'u. Abir.
Hamra'u, it's feminine.
Why?
It's colors that end with Hamza.
Alif mamduda. Say it, alif mamduda, huh?
Yeah.
Say it.
Alif Mamduda.
Yeah. It's the name of a color ending with alif mamduda. Yeah, that is why it is feminine. Yeah, good. Saad.
Ardan, I think, is masculine.
I think it is masculine. Sorry, I didn't realize we went over time already. No, it's not masculine, Saad. It's feminine because of linguistic reason.
It's the name of a place.
Yeah, but it's also feminine because of linguistic reason. Arab say it is feminine, that's why it is feminine. Just have to do quickly because we ran out of time. I didn't realize it. Anusha, Rabbun.
Rabbul, it's masculine.
Bushra, Anusha.
Bushra, good news. That's masculine too.
What is at the end here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but do you read it ya or read it differently? You don't read it Bushrai. If it was a ya,
Bushra.
you should read it Bushrai. It is not a ya. It is alif maksura. Bushra.
Oh.
You read it like alif, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is why an alif written in a different way. And that is why it is called alif maksura. Because you are treating it like if it was an alif, bushra. So it sounds like alif, but written like ya. This is called alif maksura. Alif maksura at the end.
So that's feminine.
Feminine. That's a reason to call it feminine. Okay, Burak, last one. Burak is gone already. Musab.
Assalamu alaikum. Pakistan is feminine because it's the name of a place.
Name of place. All right, that's all. So we have done two properties now, status and gender. So now you should be experts on status and gender, identifying heavy from differentiating it from light, and you should memorize what are the 4 reasons to be light for an ism. That's all for now. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.